Hey everyone, I'm Ellen here at etrailer.com. Today we're taking a look at the MaxxFan Dome Roof Vent with 12-volt fan. This is going to be a handy fan to install in your bathroom or kitchen area in your RV so that you can keep everything ventilated in there. Also will work out well for small campers or anywhere that you need that ventilation but with a smaller fan that you typically see. So this is just going to be a 6-inch in diameter fan. It operates with 2 wires there, so that's going to actually be what powers our fan. And then to open this up, you're just going to have this handle with a little push button. So if you push in on that and then push up on the handle, it'll open up that fan and vent and let the fresh air in and let you exhaust out the air coming out of there. It does come with instructions to help you get your fan installed. It does note that this is an exhaust fan only, so it's going to blow the air out. You can't really reverse the direction of that fan, so that's something to keep in mind. And this is going to fit a 6 1/4 inch opening. So if you already had an opening for your fan, that's a 6 1/4 inch. This is going to work out well for you. I'll give you some other measurements towards the end of the video. But as far as what comes in our kit, we'll get the vent and fan assembly, and then also a collar. This is to help us get this installed in those roofs or walls that are more than 1 inch thick. If you do have that situation, you can use this material to extend that out and make sure that everything is sealed up and working properly. It also comes with the trim ring for the inside, kind of clean up the look of the install there and seal it all off. Also comes with the hardware to get everything attached, and then the black ring here is going to be if we want to install this in our sidewall. You'd mount it like this, so the solid portion of that ring is going over the fan to protect it from any dirt, water, or debris from getting into our housing, and then still allow the air to vent out at the bottom. Again, just a 2-wire connection that we need to make. This works with 12-volt systems or 125 amp systems, or 125 volt systems, excuse me. It also has a fuse here that's going to be a 5 amp fuse, so it keeps everything protected there so we won't blow out our motor or anything like that. To turn the fan on and off, you'll just have this push button here on the inside, and this screen is removable, so if you ever need to clean that out, you just have to remove those 4 small Phillips head screws to do so. Now, as far as the sizing for everything, again, our fan is a 6-inch diameter. The outer diameter of the actual housing is about 8 inches from side to side, and that's going to be the same for the inside there, about 8 1/2 inches to this outer edge of this flange. So the rough cutout dimension is going to be that 6 1/4, but as far as the actual housing width at max, it's at about 8 1/2 inches on the inside. For our collar, this is going to be about 6 inches of material to work with. Our trim ring has an outer diameter of about 8 1/2 inches again. We'll get 4 screws that have the white caps, and then 14 screws for everything else, 2 butt connectors to get our wiring hooked up, and then for our outer trim ring, the outer diameter is going to be about 10 3/8 inches across from edge to edge there, about 10 3/8 inches. And then for the top portion, it's more like about 9 inches across and about 2 1/2 inches tall. That's pretty much going to do it for our look at the MaxxFan Dome Roof Vent with 12-volt fan. If you need any other accessories like butyl tape or self-leveling sealant, you can find those right here at etrailer.com to complete your install, and I would highly suggest picking those up since that's going to seal everything together and make sure that you don't have any leaks going down the road. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in deciding if this is going to be the right kit for you. We'll see you next time.